Welcome to the Career Myth Card Sort. Let's begin by going over the anatomy of a career myth card. Each card front has a limiting belief or misconception about careers. The back offers an invitation to change with an empowering reframe of the myth. Then it provides supporting evidence through a stat or a quote, and finally, it suggests next steps to consider taking. Let's move on to the card sort process. Step 1. Sort the deck into 3 piles. Read the front of each card and decide if you agree or disagree. If you're unsure, place the card in the middle. Sort the entire deck before moving on. Step 2. Resort the unsure pile. Pick up your unsure pile. One by one, flip over each card to read the information on the back. Be sure to read all 3 sections of the back of the card to start breaking down these big ideas and reflect on new possibilities. Then, look at the front again and decide if you now agree or disagree with the statement. Go through each card in your unsure pile and resort into either your agree or disagree pile. Step 3. Resort the agree pile. Repeat the same resort process with your agree pile. Flip over each card to read the information on the back. Then, look at the front again and decide if you now agree or disagree with the statement. Place the card in either the agree or disagree pile. Step 4. Choose a standout card. Complete this activity by choosing the one card that stood out to you the most and share why. This could be a card that you found surprising, inspiring, or thought-provoking. Once you've chosen, ask yourself, how can the empowering belief on the back of the card help me on my journey? Congratulations on finishing the Career Myth Card Sort. One of the best ways to move beyond career myths is to choose challenges to solve, instead of job titles to fit into. Next, use the challenge cards to discover exciting career possibilities, unbound by career myths.